Hey Jimmy, how is the shoot going?
The shoot's going really, really well. We've got really fun models. We've got really dope hair. 90s has definitely had a comeback the last few years, especially in haircuts and styling.
Hi Morgan,
Hello.
how's it going?
Good, how are you?
You enjoying yourself on the shoot today?
Very much so.
Do you have a favorite look?
I think Chitra's look is my favorite.
She looks hot. Say hi, Scott.
Hey, everybody.
He's doing wardrobe and he's killing it, as always. This is Corey. Hi, Corey.
Oh, hello.
Behind the scenes, wardrobe magic.
We're going with the dark look, right?
Yeah. Yeah, those look good. This is our model, Miko. Killer musician, killer model. And what do you think the best use for Dirty Pink is?
Dirty Pink has a few different uses. On its own, it's super beautiful. It's this muted, dusty mauve pink. But it also can be used technically. If you wanted to cancel out any unwanted green in the hair, it's the perfect shade to do that.
I think we're done. I have nothing left to say to the world. Have a great shoot. I love you. Mwah.
Love you too. Bye, guys.